seconds.
Oh, someone found a loot bag.
I did.
I heard it. Green spiky dudes. Oh! Can't see.
Oh, somebody already got the legendary.
Maybe.
I know you did, because I fucking see it open, bitch. Has anyone found the teleporter?
I did at one point. It was... What the hell was it? Oh yeah, right here.
Yeah, so honestly, I just have infinite ability right now.
Jesus. Oops. I didn't need to see.
Yeah. Yeah, yo. I want these back. No disciple, I just fucking love that shit. I'm just walking around as safe as can be, honestly.
Do the compasses break once you get low health, or do they break when you die?
The watches?
Yeah.
Low health.
Low health.
Or if you die.
Yeah, which is low health.
Either one. Whichever comes first.
Which is usually low health.
Unless you went into a black hole. Then you just die.
Yeah. Think he gets the point, Tanner?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't want to be here!
Oh no!
I was in the middle of that, dude!
No! No thanks. Ew, gross. Boom, 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 boom.
Tanner, stand right there.
What's up? Okay. Nice. Pew, pew, pew.
Yeah, it's like on a 0.5 second cooldown.
Jesus.
Yeah, so nothing really can fucking hit me, Tanner, if I don't want it to.
Yeah, even if they wanted to.
Yeah. Oh no, my 20 shields broke and my repulsion armor's failing me. What will I ever do? Dash the fuck away, find a spot and hide for 5 seconds as I get healed up. Hey, teleport already. Yeah, we're going to Mithrix. It's like 2:30.
You're like 230.
Fuck you. Okay.
Whole lightning eels. Hey, press in front of loot bag. Nice.
Yeah.
I found 2 shrines of combat.
Very nice.
Or mountain shrines, I meant.
Yeah, the rest let's go.
Ooh, for me?
For me, for free?
I'm basically just grabbing random items at this point.
Yeah. I know where the teleporter is. Hey, dude, that's not fucking cool. Apparently my dash, Tanner, counts as me running. So I can literally just... Oh, does it? No? Oh, no, it does. I can just dash through stuff and shit's gonna hit it.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't even know why I'm grabbing feathers. I have infinite fucking hops. Or
Fast
teleports.
You teleport straight up in the air?
Yeah. You wanna watch me?
You wanna see it?
You wanna see what I can do?
Here, Preston, I'm coming over, don't worry. Hi, how's it going, bud?
Pretty good.
Oh, not too bad, not too bad.
Hey, Terry, you need some help over there? I'm here.
Hi. Hi, how are ya?
I'm doing pretty good. Oh no, was that me? Fuck off!
Oh, I can't see.
Stop Stop attacking me!
I think we got him.
Yeah, I think so too. That's more fuel cells, if anything. Like the only green I would actually want right now. I almost dashed.
You don't want to do that.
Telling you right now, I got 31 crowbars.
Oh,
So
I died.
What?
I did not realize there was a fucking guy behind me. Somebody has to go stand in the teleporter now.
I'm here.
oh, so spiky things. I don't like those guys.
Yeah, I got fucking bamboozled from behind by a void.
Oh.
Yeah. I was like, oh, there's these three in front of me. Okay, backing up, and then I walked straight into it and it popped directly as I stepped in. Here?
What?
Why do you have insta-kill at 92?
Don't worry about it.
You have 92 insta-kills?
Don't worry about it.
He does! Hopefully we can frame Mithrix, I'm just saying. If not, we're dead.
Don't
Where?
worry about it.
Holy fuck.
Don't worry about it.
So are you just insta-killing things like on the spot, dude?
He has been doing that! It doesn't fucking matter! He didn't need that much! His loadout without that would have been enough. Even if he left them as crits, that would have been enough. But no! He had to get the corrupted version for insta-death! Oh, look! Going... Nope, he didn't get another one. Make it solid 100, bitch, you won't.
I should. Then it'll be a 50-50.
No, I'm pretty sure it's an insta-kill no matter what, Tanner.
I mean,
No.
yeah.
You have a 100% chance to insta-kill.
Well, it's 0.5% each time. So if you get 100, that's only 50%.
Don't die.
Or
You got
missiles.
this, Tanner. I believe
Yeah,
you.
but Tanner, you have to go off of... That's going with your rockets, your ice, any
Oh,
fucking
yeah.
AoE attack. Oh, and you have 100% crit rate too.
Oh yeah, that too.
So even if you don't kill him with the insta-kill, it's a insta-kill either way.
It should be, yeah. Get more ukuleles went up.
How many ukuleles? You only have 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, take the portal.
Hang on, I need 2 more.
Oh,
There's a hole there. Hang on. Fireworks. There's number 100. There it is.
okay. 100. Go to Mithrix. You don't need a Tanner.
Yeah, I do.
I just hate leaving loot.
Yeah, there's a lot left. Okay, I don't
As
think I
commando,
can
clear
make
20 stages in a single run without picking up any lunar items.
Ooh. I picked up one.
I don't know if I can actually get up there, to be honest.
I know I can.
I might be able to, actually.
I did. How many hops you... Here, you have 17 fucking hops. You can definitely cheese it.
There's no way.
I've already used half of them.
Just stop on one of the fucking branches below.
Nope, nope, didn't make it.
Oh, this thing just shot me right up in the fucking air. Okay.
If I got like, I don't know, 5 more goat hoops, I could probably do it.
I cheesed it.
I'm just down on the ground right now.
Oh, it's a lunar pod. That's okay, I don't feel like you have to move.
I got locked in. I didn't mean to do this.
How could this happen to me?
Don't worry, guys. I'll be the distraction up in the air. He can never hit me. Hi, Preston.
I don't know. I can cheese it, man. I'm trying.
I saw you up here.
No, I never reached the top. I'm just below.
I'm doing it the hard way.
You'll be able to survive doing that by yourself?
Oh yeah.
He has insta kill. Fucking probably 9 shields.
I just gotta avoid the black holes, that's all.
Yeah. He's fine. He's got 24 bungus.
I'm so fucking close. God damn.
I'm just gonna be running around the sides while you fight him. Are you gonna go back down and help Tanner?
Oh.
Dude, I am so close to it. Like right around the fucking edge. Oh my god.
Just get like one more hop. There's plenty of loot down here.
I have 11 hops. I should be able to make that shit. But...
I made it easy. I only have 5.
You teleport, bitch.
I only have one of those too.
I roll, I don't teleport.
Don't worry, I'm on the 3rd pillar.
Are you doing the blood ones?
No, I'm just doing the easy ones right now.
Ooh, you can transfer stuff from legendaries. Hell yeah. I think I'm alive.
Are you sure about that?
I just realized I can spam my R as long as I want. Yeah, having 12 of these alien heads is kinda sick. Hey, one more pillar to fill. Tanner, you can do it.
Hey. I'll try this one.
Yeah, dude.
Did you make it?
I rolled way too high, but yes, I did. All I did was go to the top of this thing and sprint, and it launched me all the way up.
Jesus.
Preston, look at the Eurostorm I'm giving that bitch.
Alright.
What, you don't see all the arrows I'm putting into this fucking dome?
Are you up top?
Yeah. Oh, you're not even in here yet.
Damn. I'm up here, I'm just not in there.
Yeah.
I can't go in. Oh. What's going on?
What's up?
I rain death from above.
Don't make me do this. Don't make me do this. Alright, we're all up here. Let's do this shit. Probably gonna get one-shotted, not gonna lie. But
No, we good shit.
Nah, we're fine.
sure.
Oh yeah, just like that.
You're gonna steal our shit, and that's what I'm worried about. I don't care about this first stage or the second stage.
I'm just gonna be spamming the middle with arrows. Because if I can frame him, he won't fucking take our shit. Ooh, ouch.
Yeah, don't get hit by those.
Who's dead?
You're dead?
No, he's not.
Oh, I thought you said you were dead.
I seen a
Oh,
big.
alright. See if we survive.
I'm hiding, bro.
Nope, I framed him.
Oh, he did die. Okay. GG.
No question, do we just want to leave or do we want to...
No, we gotta fight the final boss.
Okay. Oh, you guys aren't even here yet? Pathetic.
I'm fighting these dudes. Oh. There we go. Let's do this damn thing.
Church follow you in here. That's cool.
The what follows you?
Your church followed you in here.
Yeah. So the ones that just stay still.
What's happening right there? Oh, I just fell to my death.
You'll come back. Imagine if you fell off the map on this one, you just die. You die. Okay.
I was dead.
Me? No, dude, I'm fucking in the skybox.
There we go. Woohoo! Die. We have so many drones. Oh my gosh. Gummy Captain.
What is this thing? Oh, I'll change my equipment to the shotgun once. Hey, you're doing great. Oh, you can't even use the weapon on him? It's dumb as fuck.
Die! Yeah!
Hey, you'll live.
Yeah! Victory!
Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie to you, I was in the skybox for all of those last fights.
Jesus.
I mean, all I have to do is... And they do a shit ton of damage. They just stack those fuckers.
Damn.
Okay.
Oh
Definitely
my
for
god.
me.
If I had one more kill, I would have had exactly 5,000 kills. Damn it.
I had 437 kills, dude.
Damn. Damn. I had 4,999. Damn it.
Yeah. I did not do that much. I only had 2,700 kills.
Oh.
I did only 47 million damage. Henry did 100 million. Oh. I don't feel too bad. I just only did 7 million. Alright. That's gonna be it for me.
Twitter.
Quitter.
Shitter.
Shitter or
Helicopter,